Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talking about website development using WordPress. This is the maybe sixth and seventh video of WordPress. So in this video, we are talking about how to manage these widgets. Widgets means like in the sidebar area, you can see a search button, archive. Here also search button, archive, categories, and about this all the stuffs. How to keep our own thing here and how can we do that? Like we want to keep your video, I want to keep your calendar, so just like that, how can we manage without writing a single line of code? I use here this ITpress theme that is looking nice, so you can apply for your own. So what you need to do, just go here and type localhost and WordPress. Okay, you need to log in to manage those things, so click login and type your password, admin password, user ID password, and you will be here in the dashboard. So from here, what you need to do, you need to go to the appearance, and from here you can see widgets. Just go here, and from here you can see your sidebar area what you want to display. Like here is already set that search. Let me delete all these stuffs from here now, and let me show you how to keep. Okay, now everything is clear. Let me show you from here. Okay, refresh it. As you can see here, nothing in the sidebar. Yeah, this is already done by the theme, so we can just change it by going to the appearance, and we can change that. Okay, so next thing, in the sidebar, what do you want to include? Here are the lots more things you can include there, like archive, audios, calendar, categories. So how to, first of all, let me apply this search button. Just click here and drag it to the sidebar widget area. Okay, you can see here sidebar widget area, you can, it is selected, add widget. As you can see here, this will be here now. Or you can drag it and drop, like let me remove now search bar. Just click and drag it and keep it there. Like, okay, let me go and keep it here. What do you want to display? Like search, save it, and just go here and refresh it. Now you can see your search bar is in the sidebar. So in the same way, if you want to include calendar, so just drag it here and give name calendar. Now as you can see here, this calendar is also added, and you see the current date. And in the same way, if you want to include categories there, how many categories are here? In the previous video we discussed about this, what is category. So I will write here category. So it will okay, you can see a display as drop down, you can tick mark this if you want. So number of post count, no, I don't want this all stuff, so let me just keep it simple. Press it, and just below that you can see here categories, programming and website. These two categories I have in my website. So it helps the users to find out the information in which topic they want to find out. Just they click and it will be displayed all the things related to that programming, like Python, Java, C programming. Okay, next thing, recent post. Just you can click on this arrow also, and you can apply using this add widgets. Yeah, this is here, post. You can display the data of the post, where when you have post that, or user, if you don't want, no need to do. Like you can see here, in this way we included post also, Python, Java, yeah, in this way. So in the footer area also we can include something like, okay, let me go here in tag cloud. I want to include tag in that footer area. Select the footer area from here and add widgets. In the footer area it will display the name what you want to display, like I will say tags, and then I will save it. Done. And as you can see here, is by default something is here, it is written by that, okay, WordPress itself by theme. So you can remove it from here, or you can change the things what you want to change, like phone number and all these stuffs are here, no? Like you can see here these things, just you can change the information from there and you can just display it. Okay, for now I will keep same. And the next thing, like you can remove it by just click on delete. I will delete it for now. And then archive also here, so I will delete this also from here. And source also I have included in sidebar, so I will remove it. Categories also there, so I will remove it. And in the same way, just we can go and see the changes. Yes, tag is only here, everything is deleted. Okay, next thing, if you want to write custom HTML, just you can here have option to do so. You can here option like custom text, you can include in your, yes, custom text like, okay, for now this is, and you can write about like, let me show you a demo what I have written in my website when I created this one. As you can see it, like this one, QBasic Windows download for Windows. So you can write in this way, and you can just link something using this link option, so you can do it. Okay, let me save this for now. Okay, now audio you can include, video you can include. Let me show you how to include a video in sidebar. Just I have in my website. Click here and inside area, just add widget. As you can see here, you can give any topic to that. Like I will write here make easy. This is my another channel, make easy, and add video. Insert from URL. So from here you can give URL of video like YouTube, and I will search for my channel, and I will keep the link of this my own channel. So let me keep which ones for now. Okay, let me keep this one video. Copy the link from here and then just go here and paste it, Ctrl A, Ctrl V, and then add the widgets. You can edit a video by clicking on this, and MP4, OBJ, WAM, and loop. In this way you can also add subtitle. Also you can add a subtitle if you have, that is already available in my YouTube video, so no need to do. And let's go and refresh it. Now as you can see here, this video is included here. I can play it from here. Welcome to Make Easy. In this video, okay, so in this way you can include. So next thing is like recent comment also, if you want to include, like you can add it here where you want comments. So there are lots more options. You can take it one by one and do it by yourself. Like custom HTML, if you want to write something, just click here and add where you want to add and write as custom HTML for your site, and that will be okay. Okay, this is for this was for now. You can manage your website in your own way. Okay, lastly I want to show you navigation, like in the footer, if you want to see some navigation option like menu bar option, so that is also available here. Where is that? Okay, navigation menu, you can include it here in the footer area and give nav or whatever you want to give name. Like here, from here you have to select main menu, because this is the menu I have created and this have few menus in. Okay, if I go down in the footer area, as you can see here, this is the navigation area. From here also user can navigate, or add a menu option is also here, so you can add a menu from here just by clicking here, and it will redirect you here, and from here you have to select and add it to the footer also. Okay, anyway, so that's it for now. In the next video we'll see how to add a slider to our website. Slider means, like I will show you in Google, slider in WordPress, like moving images. You can see, let me show you as a video. So it will be clear. Like there are lots more video available on the YouTube channel, so you can use it. Like it will slide it in this way. So this is the option. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, so you will get the notification for new video and you can understand the concept and follow the series of video to understand WordPress website development. Have a good day.